In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable two-factor authentication on Shopify. If you're a Shopify store owner, safeguarding your and your customers' data is paramount. Two-factor authentication, often abbreviated as 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your account, ensuring that even if someone gets hold of your password, they won't be able to access your account without a second verification step. Let's dive right in and see how you can set it up. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, head to the top right corner of the screen and click on your account name or avatar. This will open a drop-down menu. From here, select Manage Account. This action will redirect you to your account settings page, where you'll find all the options to manage your Shopify experience. Now, on your account settings page, look for a section labeled Security. Click on this option, which will take you to the Security Settings page. This is where you can manage password settings and enable two-factor authentication to boost your account's security. On the Security page, you should see an option for two-step authentication. Click Turn on or Enable next to this option. At this point, Shopify will present you with a choice between using an app-based authentication or SMS-based authentication. Both provide a good level of security, but for the strongest protection, we recommend using an app-based authentication method. If you choose the app-based method, you'll need to download an authentication app like Google Authenticator or Authy on your smartphone. It's free and available for both iOS and Android devices. Once you've installed your chosen app, open it and follow the instructions to add a new account. Typically, you'll need to either scan a QR code provided by Shopify or enter a secret key. Shopify will now provide you with a QR code on your screen. Use your authentication app to scan this code. Once scanned, the app will start generating a 6-digit code for your Shopify account. You'll need this code every time you log into Shopify. Enter the 6-digit code from your app into the provided field on Shopify and click Verify. If the code is correct, you'll receive a confirmation that two-factor authentication has been successfully enabled on your account. If you prefer SMS-based authentication instead, you will need to enter your mobile phone number when prompted. Shopify will then send a 6-digit verification code via text message. Enter this code into the Shopify interface to complete the setup. Remember, two-factor authentication significantly improves the security of your account, but it's always good practice to ensure your passwords are strong and unique. In addition, regularly updating your passwords can further protect your store. And that's it. You've successfully enabled 2FA on your Shopify account. This small step adds a powerful shield against unauthorized access, keeping both your store and your customers' information secure. Thanks for watching, and make sure to implement these practices to safeguard your online business.